a bunch of makeup, trying to cover up my face. I started to skip lunch, stopped eating cake on birthdays, bought a new prescription to try and stay calm, 'cause there's always something missing. There's always something in the mirror that I think looks wrong when pretty isn't pretty enough. What do you do when everybody's keeping it up? Do you think it's you? I could change up my body and change up my face, could try every lipstick in every shade, but it always feels the same, 'cause pretty isn't pretty enough anyway. You can win the battle, but you'll never win the war. Face the things you hated, and you'll still feel so insecure. And I try to ignore it, but it's everything I see. It's on the poster on the wall, it's in the shitty magazines, in my phone, it's in my head, it's in the boys I bring to bed. It's all around, it's all the time. I don't know why I even try when pretty isn't pretty enough. What do you do when everybody's keeping it up? Do you think it's you? I could change up my body, change up my face, could try every lipstick and every shade, but it always feels the same, 'cause pretty isn't pretty enough. And I'm proud of the clothes that you told